The right conference can be a game changer for your network. It's all about the people you meet and the connections you make. But the conferences right now that we go to aren't exactly ideal. It's this that sets the Coach K experience apart from all others. What if I told you there was a way to get all the people that you want to talk to in the same place at the same time? Welcome, my friends, to the Coach K experience. You arrive in Thailand, you get chauffeured to your luxury hotel, and every single need and want is taken care of. Literally everything, it's all included. Instead of navigating your way through several venues and thousands of people, now you get an entire week custom tailored to everything you want and need for the perfect VIP getaway networking experience. Some of the activities that we start with when you get to the conference remove all the barriers. So things like team building, where I give you guys challenges to work together to solve. We also then go into workshops. So workshops will give you prompted questions like, what are the problems that you deal with every single day in the industry? And maybe we'll come up with some amazing ideas. So a typical day will look sort of like this. You'll wake up, you'll eat breakfast with everyone, you hang out, you'll talk about your crypto projects, maybe have a meeting, and then we'll go into our epic activities.
Heart of a lion, fire inside me blaze like a siren. Why would you try it? Wake up the beast, no I can't keep silent. I put my time in, now it's my time, your time is expiring. Blood, sweat and tears, I conquered my fears, I'm ready to fly now. I am the pilot, I am so polished, usually modest, but when is the last time you seen it this stylish without a stylist, huh? It's been a long time, I've been on this road, I'm racking my mileage up. They don't get loud with us, cause they know we wild as fuck.
And while you're doing that, you have your guard down because you're not just thinking about business, you're also thinking about pleasure. And so while you're having fun and getting to really truly connect with everyone, you have a great day. So at night, we'll have things like a gourmet beach barbecue or some Thai food cultural experiences that will lead into our nighttime activities. Now, some of those may be a game night and others may be parties, but the whole point is that you get to choose what you want to do and there's something for everyone. So this past year, we did a scavenger hunt. We plan to do them again.
We have to find QR codes around the hotel where there's $40,000 US on the line here.
What this entails is a bunch of crypto degenerates running around the resort, finding clues, working together, all while going to earn $40,000 or being a Chad and also donating to the charities that we have.
The Coach K experience really elevates what a conference should be like.
Every day was just filled with activities, time to meet people. You meet organically, just like make all these cool connections.
It's not the kind of event like you have like 20,000 people, you are talking to some randoms. This is a super selected crowd of people that we can talk with and hang out, and you are able to build this real relations and do business with the people that you like to spend time with.
You could party if you wanted to, but you could also just chill and have a relaxed time.
At the end of the conference, you're going to be left with a larger network of crypto OGs that aren't just people you saw at a conference once, but are truly your friends. Thailand and one of the best weeks of your life awaits. Click the link below to find out more, and we'll see you soon.